Hey guys, Dan here from Funded Trader Academy with my trade of the week. Let's break down this 15-point bullish trap setup from Friday, April 10th during the New York morning session on the S&P. Okay, so this failed breakout was framed off of 4 different attempts to push above a key level. All right, if we go all the way back, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to look at this setup from start to finish and dial in the specifics using the order flow footprint software to qualify this trade. Before we dial into the specifics, let's provide a bit of broader market context using the volume profile. So if you go back a few days, you can see this rapid bullish trend of the week with a capital B-shaped profile, and then another one forming that prior day. Okay, so this aggressive uptrend left behind some imbalances along the way, and then we flattened out into an overnight session of a very tight range. Okay, so headed into the day, this was the view, and this was my framing. Okay, and the idea on the day is I wanted to see how price responded at either the prior day high or the overnight low and the immediate thin print just below, that immediate imbalance just below price. So if we go back through how the pre-market and AM session unfolded, let's drop this to a 10 here, and we'll just zoom this in a little bit. So if we look and see how this market session unfolded, there's the news spike at 7:30. That's the first failure. Okay, and then we have our opening session, our opening candle right here. This is on a 10-minute chart, by the way. And so this is the opening candle right here. That's your second failure to reclaim this level, that prior day high. Okay, and price off that failure, price pushed all the way back down to VWAP, and we failed to break through it. And then here you have a third attempt. Again, price pushed back down to VWAP. So at this particular point, we have 3 failures up here, and we have no extension to the downside. So this is starting to begin to look like we're in store for a bit of a tight ranging opening AM session here. Okay, but then around 10:30, about 10:20 actually, price makes a 4th attempt. Okay, that's this one right here. Okay, this and this are the same thing. All right, so if we go look, here's our first failure, second failure off the open. Here's our third failure. This one looked like it may have some legs to it, but was pretty lethargic on the way up and trapped up some more traders and rotated back down. Okay, and then we moved into this final 4th one here. Again, just like this one, we had a delta shift, pretty intense shift from aggressive buying to aggressive selling with no follow through, no breakdown, no break of structure. This one came back up again, and again we had another shift in delta. We went from pretty mediocre aggression on the buy side to a rapid shift to aggressive selling right through here and here once again. Okay, but this one was a little bit different. So this one finally actually broke down clean through VWAP, okay, on this particular bar, on this 1040 bar. Okay, that was followed by a weak retrace, a weak retest to the underside of VWAP with some more traps, okay, right through here. And then we had failure and follow through, which is where I market ordered in at 68, 66 3/4, okay. That led to a extension to the downside where we're aiming for this 68.51, which if you look was that London low. Okay, that's exactly where we were looking to go. And if you walk this thing forward, obviously, spoiler alert, it tags it right to it. Okay. So to recap this trade, I framed out the day. I set zones and levels of interest rooted in balance and imbalance before the market opened. I drafted out a couple of high potential if-then scenarios and struck when my model triggered. Okay, right here. My key level was taken. I have traps, I have delta shift, and a break of structure, and then held that position to the next level of imbalance. All right, guys, hope that was helpful. We'll see you over in the next video.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.